It's a scramble for survival as the 15th-month-long war against COVID-19 rages on. The current wave is largely driven by the surge in Gauteng. On Thursday, the province recorded over 9,000 cases, accounting for 59% of the new cases. The next most affected province is the Western Cape with 12% of the new cases. But government says it's expecting more vaccines.
Pfizer has delivered nearly 4.5 million doses as promised in Q2. They have also committed just over 15.5 million doses in Q3, of which we are expecting nearly 2.1 million doses in July. Johnson & Johnson have so far delivered 500,000 early access doses used for Sisonke, 300 market doses last week, and 1.2 million doses landed last night in the afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. These doses all need to be used by 11 of August, and I think we are on track in terms of working to ensure that we utilize these doses.
Kubayi-Ngubane says vaccination reduces transmission and that no vaccine-related deaths have been recorded so far. But she warned against laxity.
What I need to highlight is that it's important for all of us to continue to not only wearing the mask or following the necessary non-pharmaceutical interventions, but I think what is more important for us is that even when we wear the mask, we must wear the masks actually all the time in public, but also wearing them correctly. I think most of the people will have their mask in their pockets, but others will actually wear their mask but not wear their mask correctly.
With new cases soaring, the education sector is also receiving attention.
The program for the education sector began on Wednesday, and I must congratulate the provinces together with the Department of Basic Education, together with Minister Motshekga, for vaccinating nearly around 50,000 a day. For the past 2 days, at this rate, we will be able to finish the sector by within 10 days as we hoped.
But there are still challenges with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Right now, as of this week, both the Pfizer pipeline is very stable until the end of July, and we know exactly what vaccines to expect for the next 5 to 6 weeks. The Johnson & Johnson pipeline is not yet confirmed. It's just these 1.5 million doses that we've received at the moment. We do not have a delivery schedule for the remainder. The 500,000 doses to make up the 2 million we were supposed to have received when the problems were identified in the US have hopefully will be arriving in the next week to 2 weeks, but we don't have a delivery date for that yet. And we are still discussing with Johnson & Johnson the delivery pipeline for the weeks ahead.
Kubayi-Ngubane has also appealed to all citizens to always adhere to COVID-19 regulations and to properly wear masks. Mmamoloko Kubayi-Ngubane, SABC News, Pretoria.